Guys, we have one of my favorites here, and I can recommend you order it. Our very powerful pistol gel blaster in Desert Eagle. That's gold color is available. The black color is also available, but I really prefer the gold one. Look at it. It's even shining in the light. So it's the same as the Glock with a triple magazine. Okay, we currently have a short magazine. So it has a drum magazine. A flashlight is also included. So a suppressor is also included. It also has a scope. It has blowback also, guys. So it has manual switching. Once you cock it, one shot. Then you switch it on top for the full auto. It's stronger because it's locked, guys.
Airsoft pistol used in the movie John Wick. It's cool that it's all metal. It's got all the real markings just like the movie. It has semi and full. This is the only one licensed. It comes with a license card, and the box should include EMG and Tarantatico. Cool, isn't it?
Hey guys, just look at this beauty here from Armory Works. All metal, the spikes are totally functional, a little low on power as you can see. This is the 1911 model. Laura, it's too fancy to be Deadpool's. I think it could be more worn out. Look at this, Armory Works thought about that. They already sent the sandpaper. It has blowback, top of the top.